Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakak, Wadashal, Amat.
The bananas, the elders and apostles of Pringles, the spiritual, peace and Muslim, the happy of the spirits, joy for God of the weekend. Shalom.
Shalom.
Yeah, man. We want to see you again. Moses gave us another Saturday, man, to come and preach His word, man. To come with the prophecies of the Holy Book, man, the Bible, man.
That's right.
Right. And we want to go into prophecies, man, but we want to talk to the people in the Sinai language so that they can understand. So without any further ado, we change the language. Dan Shalom, una de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten, una GMS Suriname. En we komen bakken naar wanneer na kracht en spirit voor jou, Bashem, jou, Shai. Volg toch. Voor de profetie, je volgt de sansa die gebeurt en de sansa die gebeurt. Je volgt toch. En we leven in de eindtijd, je volgt toch. We amoro hier wat vernietig. Babylon, Amerika, je volgt toch. A.k.a. Babylon, je volgt toch. En ja, we doen in de scripture. En ik ga starten aan Jeremiah 50.
This is the book of Jeremiah, chapter 50, verse 44. It says, Jeremiah 50 and 44, it says, Behold, he shall come up like a lion from the swelling of Jordan unto the habitation of the strong. But I will make them suddenly run away from her. And who is a chosen man that I may appoint over her? For who is like me, and who will appoint me time? And who is that shepherd that will stand before me? Jeremiah chapter 50 verse 44. It says, Behold, he shall come up like a lion from the swelling of Jordan unto the habitation of the strong.
God, you follow up. He shall come up like a lion. Let's talk about Babylon. You follow up. I hear that. Talk about Babylon.
God. But I will make them suddenly run away from her. And who is a chosen man that I may appoint her, that I may appoint over her?
God, America shall come up like a lion, you follow up, and the not so look we follow up, the Nazis afraid, you follow up, America be doing things, one day we don't all over, we my boss, Nagasaki and Hiroshima, you follow up, now look one lion, and the Nazis be afraid. One no day, you follow up, Amori want that, small make them back can, you follow up, small make atendo that America was the finito. You follow up and that's a uni declare. You follow up and for America was the finito. Doro the transition you follow up the more that the mass they follow and the more against America. You follow up.
God, Jeremiah 15 and chapter 50 verse 44. Behold, he shall come up like a lion from the swelling of Jordan unto the habitation of the strong. But I will make them suddenly run away from her. And who is a chosen man that I may appoint over her? For who is like me, and who will appoint me time? And who is that shepherd that will stand before me? God, verse 45. Therefore hear ye the counsel of Yahweh that he had taken against Babylon, and his purposes that he had proposed against the land of the Chaldees. Surely the least of the flock shall draw them out. Surely he shall make them surely he shall make their habitation desolate with them.
Can you follow up that scripture that the least shall draw them out, and the least to talk about the transition you follow up. And that is so in Joel and 10, you follow up the least, talk about the Swati nation, you follow up Syria, you have to let the weak say I'm strong.
Joel chapter 3 verse 10. Beat your plowshares into swords and your pruning hooks into spears. Let the weak say, I'm strong.
Let the weak say, I am strong. You follow up the weak, the man of Shwaki more, first the man of Shwaki, one of America, you follow up. It's a bomb, the man of nuclear, you follow up. Hiroshima, the Shwaki, you follow up. The man do next. Man, no, the man contra, the man in America more, you follow up. Say the money for them, not a more for them, a spirit of the man, so that they may feel strong and you follow up. Understand? Now, I'm iwa idu alasan, you follow. Moro iwa ufonita Amerika doro de wansa beshwaki. De wansa beshwaki kontra no do. En de moshi Amerika no de kashwakwa. You follow en de mo boss Amerika na nuclear fire. You follow.
Ja toch, let the weak say I'm strong. Sabi to. Ito ook to in. Awapan sa de Amerika kami. Sa de lima kami. The transition abasem wapan dati. Na wapan dati. Na atom bomb. Sabi to. Atom bomb na Amerika uwampe abe. Daarom make the transition be vrede. Sabi to. Daarom make Amerika na airstone sa drop. Make him bekend. Tak they ma have a weapon and they ma ready drop a weapon that tap any nation sa come up against them. Isabi to, wanda the transition be bar Amerikan, tak Amerikan lusa atom bomb, amanum korbe ka atom bomb di ka Japan. Matok aman doing omdat aman doing and amang door that ama sorry the transition taki. Yun ko tegi mi samim tu and me sorry wan say tak sami tu jaso ini wan transition sa come up against me like pa Japan be come up against Amerikan wan di Japaner de ma bigo for ni tok Pearl Harbor was site was military site for American de ma kir ome American soldier asanat make American work and de ma take revenge and de ma go and de ma drop a bomb. Sabi tok dus door asan apisten dat ida ala de nation be back down di American ala de nation dat be vrede American. Dus alasan sa de man be do Amerikan e put sancties stop de man en de man tan onder de sancties. De man disrespect Amerikan. Maar no de man ko shita ga na dora sana de man be vrede Amerikan. En no de man ko shita ona dora sana ti da de man dat sere bige feti e me ka sem bom dati. Isi Russia ko apa bom, China ko apa bom en de trap chik kondre ook to sana be man tak bigiti ka Amerikan. Ala dit kondre dat apa bom so like North Korea. Isa pato India, Pakistan. You see? Iran no up atom bomb. Ma Iran one kota pa Pacific make one bomb and na asan dati make Amerika wa vernietig Iran. Reden waarom? Omdat Amerika ngesi tak Iran na wa kondre sa ne tak furulik den tra kondre de manat up ati. Right. And if wa kondre sa up ati tu bepala sa na ngayo if I make them up one atom bomb, you know ma tapengi de mamo. Je ziet, daarom ik de ma effectief kan skakel de ma uit. Manat dat ko chara derde wereldoorlog. Zie? Matigo baka ina scripture po Ezekiel hoofdstuk 38. Ay sorry para Russia op backup Iran. Sabi ba to? O de wan shield gi de man. Sabi to? Dus let the weak say I'm strong. Met andere woorden, de man ko strong no de omdat de man zrip abasem wapen sa Amerika abi. Daarom ik Amerika na sancties ay poti. No de Amerika no mango da de man drop bomb mo. Tak ayo go drop. Meka man go drop bomb in North Korea no. De missile de ready gericht voor mijn man, in west van mijn man. Hoe de maar drop. Alla de kondre sa atoom de ready. De missile de gericht voor Amerika. Zie? Dus doen we dat nasa isa. Sabi ko.
Kalau kalian familiar dengan di missile de gericht, kalau kita maybe don't know the description of the abrege for. Sorry Jeremiah.
Jeremiah chapter 50 verse 14. Put yourselves in array against Babylon round about.
Met andere woorden, put de missile gericht go naar Babylon in Amerika dat zie je volop.
That's right.
Go ahead.
All ye that bend the bow, shoot at her, spare no arrows, for she had sinned against the Lord Yahweh Ba'atim Yahushai.
Je volop de man tak bend de bow met andere woorden, haar is van me ka de ready gericht naar Babylon. Je volop toch. Hij sorry dat na arrow. Je volgt van arrow naar wampiri. En dan letterlijk wampiri. Naar de sunny. Je volgt toch?
Dus dat je weet salakya, je weet tegen de smatak a Bible dat abra de nuclear missile. Yes ma wan bribi. Hotel de wan bribi na tere go na Bible na de nuclear missile. Yeah. Isa bito. Ma ja so ay sorry tak. Na symbolis tal. Toch? Na symbolis word yi a raket. Omdat een raket ook toe, make like een peri. Een punt of like een peri. Je ziet? En een boog, toch? Een boog is stel voor een silo in een nuclear missile. Want een nuclear missile altijd ik moet uit een silo. Tenminste denk ik moet uit een silo. Snap je toch? Een inbering in een nuclear missile. Om even de nu de man gewoon, snap je toch? de tap truck anga de wana tu popo en kwe. Isa bitok. Go ahead.
Jeremiah chapter 50 verse 14. Put yourselves in array against Babylon round about. All ye that bend the bow, shoot at her, spare no arrows, for she hath sinned against the Lord Yahweh Bahashim Yahushai.
Je follow up. Spare no arrows, je follow up. Me kan no spare no missiles, je follow no spare no nuclear missile, je follow up. Zoek allemaal where go naar Babylon.
Kan.
Je follow up. Wanneer staan Bijbel is zo dat 200 million missile, je follow up. Op bom, de mau na 200 million missile, de mau bom Amerika, je follow up. Isa ko puro dat day. Je follow up.
Isa po may message da pe boy.
One kondre na so puro missile, je follow. Dat is zo dik wat dat na.
Ja to.
Na om kondre op bom Amerika na kali missile. Je follow up ba na.
Jeremiah chapter 51 verse 11. Make the bright, the arrows, gather the shield. The Lord hath
Ja, make bright the arrows, je follow up. Na kan do set the missile, je follow up. Ready, je follow up. Na sa kamoro hiwa. Ko na speak no sabe ma posible missile, je follow up. Na ready de sa missile. Na mano ko na ano ang je follow up. Well,
The Lord hath raised up the spirit of the kings of the Medes, who his device is against Babylon to destroy it.
je follow up. Once spice is against Babylon. Amerika, je follow up. Fu vernietig Amerika, je follow up. King of the Medes, je follow up. Amori apot as king pa fu en tap the king of the Medes who destroy Babylon, Amerika, je follow up. Well,
Because it is the vengeance of the Lord, the vengeance of his temple.
je follow up. Omdat na awurake fu yaw bashim yaw sha, je follow up. That's Amerika, na wicked country, je follow up. Amori wa ispade mano, je follow up. We are the judgment. Ono de alas mo ang Amerika, alas mano sa that Amerika wa de fonito. Amori wa na lo pa country da sref. Je follow up. If Amori ang bali ba country that one that if America destroy, it's mabotan na pimay sili that no as man no stand up. Je follow up. So historic ba ta Amori wa na lo pa country sref pa continent that wiki normal. Je follow up.
Salah kya ma enim luko ututat alasan ego falcons prophecy boy. Alasan e coberta pagrota pumang. Man inayiri next for Americano. Amana still a virgin. America na still a virgin ni man. Nara me kabebele kar America uktu the virgin daughter of Babylon. Next ne tots America man. Ala de arbife sa yeyere. Ala sa yeyere wele ko na America na hurricane orkan. Matuwetak abara people of course of the people hunger snowed nang ala din trasan dati inayere ni ala de sana nasusubay to America man a coronavirus na bayto Amerikang inayere ekin American so nga de wanati 12 cases no mo in Amerikang man the people no saptag na ala sa go falcos prophecy tag America next step sana nga Amerikang amoro iwang ikobero America like last ay hore like last food destroy na nga di atumpong in a third world warlock want America na one wicked kingdom.
Right.
Go ahead. And Amoro he wants to set this up. Amoro he wants set up American for destroying. And Amoro he wants sorry in a thing sa Amoro he wants offer nita king. And attend that na 60 minuto. 1 euro lang Amoro he wants to destroy a kingdom for the sukan am the wet masade mabaw under the yari. And Amoro is up sa fi taking baw ang kingdom 500 year lang Huh? Dawa power eko na may destroy be na 60 minuto. Sa wantat dati. Air continent. Ipsangay. Aso Amoro he wants sorry power. Daro me Amoro he wants pota spirit tap de ma pude ma bo American powerful.
Isaiah chapter 47 verse 1. It says, "Come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon. Sit on the ground, there is no throne, O daughter of the Chaldeans."
Yeah, to sit in the dust. dust that they represent confusion. Come down. No de American dagro no de. Nagi the people say is America like I mago igi unu like prophet American dagro and American sit on the dust. American no de is in confusion. De maar een die de maar begin arise voor de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten. De maar begin confused, de maar begin in the war. Zie?
Isaiah 47 verse 1. Come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon.
Virgin daughter of Babylon dat ng American tinidi. Hey, sorry. A doctor Babylon. Dus ano ang Babylon. Ja, ayos me. Isi opedo na Babylon. Na Babylon po uruting ni ay takabro yung Babylon. Ay takabro ang chief of Babylon sa bide. En ang chief of Babylon sa bide na American tinidi. Zij de mij kijken op Chief Babylon. Omdat dat de same wickedness, de same praktijken zijn die mij halen in Euro Babylon. Ja toch? Na de same praktijken dat die mij halen uit in Amerika. De same praktijken of Egypte, de same praktijken die mij halen uit in Amerika. De same praktijken van Sodom en Gomorra, na de same praktijken dat die mij halen uit in Amerika. Dat is dat naar Amerika. Is je? Goed.
Isaiah 47 verse 1. Says, come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon, sit on the ground. There is no throne, meaning be destroyed.
Meaning be destroyed. Want no de man up throne, man de man no destroy it. There is no throne that want de man finish off.
There is no throne, O daughter of the Chaldeans. Thou shalt no more be called tender and delicate. Verse 2, take the millstones and grind meal, uncover thy locks. Make bare the leg, uncover the thigh, pass over the rivers. Thy nakedness shall be uncovered, yea, thy shame shall be seen. I will take vengeance, and I will not meet thee as a man. As for our Redeemer, the Lord Yahweh of hosts is his name, the Holy One of Israel.
Ayaman.
Je volgt toch? Scripture is zo die blind contact. Die Yahushua je kom. Tamorio sen Yahushua je kom. Amano komit de man. Die qua normaal libis, maar je volgt toch?
Lek fa be kon 2000 jaar geleden.
Ja toch, je volgt toch? Maar Alicia daar moet komen. Amon kon ik angelic force. Je volgt toch? Force echt. Maar power of the patroon. Dat zijn ook die, dat zijn ook vrede.
Masano seki.
Je volgt toch? En alles maar zeggen in Amerika nu een mooi tender en delicate. Je volgt toch? Serie. Dat we tak mooi heet alles meisje. Je volgt toch? Pa mooi, alles maar ook dat. En ik denk dat vrouw spanto, mooi echt. Je volgt toch?
Alamay luke.
Alamay luke, maar je staat tak vrouw dat buki.
En updates.
Je volgt toch?
Ay dog papa.
Dat precies zo Amerika dit. Mori ook destroy echt. Je volgt toch? Die Yahushua je kon alleen drapen, Yahushua je kon. Je volgt toch? Voor niet toch wat los aan, je volgt toch?
Isaiah 47 verse 4. Sit thou silent and get thee into darkness, O daughter of the Chaldeans, for thou shalt no more be called the Lady of Kingdoms.
Lady of Kingdoms, je volgt toch? Ano no dit? Say dat akaba Lady of Kingdoms on that sound. Uno sa forma sabe botak Amerika na wan huri, je volgt toch? De mensen doen dat walo smart, je volgt toch? Dat walo Kingdoms, je volgt toch?
Ana di bawa kita kasay sa script tapi pura abuko to. Di pura buku ti luko tapati kalendat asmasas do tapapis ano ang maningri. Right. No, umasma. You see? And na American stone tapapis and a base represent a European ini. Zapatok. Sa CPED Zapatok na de CPP kingdom sa a rule. E word geregeerd door de zogenaamde witman. Sabi to, a Europese Unie. En awansa de abra Europese Unie sa ibang pal sa aba military power structure. Isa ba to na Amerikan. Daarom ik na Amerika na umas man na awan dati na inawan sa stong tapa Europese Unie. Na data sign one taki. You see? En a Bible taki in sani. Upang bare. You see?
Isaiah 47 verse 5. Sit thou silent and get thee into darkness, O daughter of the Chaldeans. Thou shalt no more be called the Lady of Kingdoms. I was brought with my people. I have polluted mine inheritance and given them into thine hand. Thou
Mori ang bewrak tap uno follow mana sa because on sa media mano arki. Amori wa ko de mais la kunay. Ondre Babylon follow to sa scripture so sa. suko na yung wait lang yung slapo na yun wala ko. Nakamori yung ako ng problema. Laro ba na sila sila
God, and given them into thine hand.
wala kamori yung tulog na yun. Alilio ang kingdom siya yung wala sa Amerika.
God, and given them into thine hand, thou didst show them no mercy.
Walang piniwalang sol ng mga panado. Kaya mamik na nga mong yung slapo na yun. Urin hate po.
God, upon the ancient hast thou verily heavily laid thy yoke.
May suot sa mga dimana ba mercy. Pisi de uru. Ya, ba dimamik ima Jericho. Walang po.
Want in a Asian thing, we do in a tip slavernij. Sabi to, de man put in keti yoke like for which tapasan, sa fato be waka edere. Follow po. En dat na ala resa na tay ko baka na Deuteronomium ustek 28. Samaro yung pentaki, samaro yung pentaki, and this not for fail too.
Shitak na the wickedness of the soul.
Nakamoro yung sin one nation come from four. Sa tongo uno first time. Sa fato ni mga na Spanish na Portuguese ang wala sa tani dalang. Suno first time tal dati. Kumaja na Hebrew sube taki de ingi be taki. Apa dah ini demang tu so ni tak demang be appetit tap action de grand wang o tap de ching. Alasan sa demang be si de might destroy.
God,
And na prophecy. Ano ko bersuma.
God, upon the ancient hast thou verily, very heavily laid thy yoke. Verse 7, and thou saidst, I shall be a lady forever, so that thou dost not lay these things to thy heart, neither dost remember the latter end of it.
Follow to. Napisa. Okay na tayo. Ay matag siya, matag. Metano di matag siya. Thou shall be a lady forever. Metano di mo utang rule po next no sa langan. No manong machabi kabro. Di follow to. Is na abigi mo po di matag. Di follow.
And na sempre kita de maaptangan no. Matulog pa president po Amerikang Irakir. Trump. Amana sta model dati no amano matouch me me tapegi alama no amano matouch me alama abi ko pay me. Isa bitog mana aprat dai the pride of thine heart hath deceived thee.
Verse 7, and thou saidst, I shall be a lady forever, so that thou didst not lay these things to thy heart, neither didst remember the latter end of it. Verse 8, therefore hear now this, thou that art given to pleasures, that dwellest carelessly, that sayest in thine heart, I am, and none else beside me. I shall not sit as a widow, neither shall I know the loss of children. But these two things shall come to thee in a moment, in one day. In one day, the loss of children and widowhood. They shall come upon thee in their perfection, for the multitude of thy sorceries, and for the great abundance of thy enchantments. For thou hast trusted in thy wickedness, thou hast said, none seeth me. Thy wisdom and thy knowledge it hath perverted thee, and thou hast said in thine heart, I am, and none else beside me.
Follow to. Sorry tak Amerika po na bigi mo po kung tat next no. Sana nga mi follow to. No amano ma payami ko po follow.
Ano madewa Amerikano madewa video and ano
lasik ching.
And ano lasik ching. Mamoro hiwat tak ala de sa etak no mapober na nga oko in one day in one moment. And oko in the perfection. Dus tede plako hit Amerikang le panuno de inere next day Amerikang. Naso so beto Amerikang China Europa. Alasan na beto Amerikang. Mamoro hiwat and Amerikang e pirtag alasan e cover beto mi next day cover. Dus uno na PlayStation ini si next day touch ono we have the greatest economy. Isa pa to low unemployment. Isa pa to ever in 50 years. So mesot sande may taki. We have a booming economy. We are doing great. Dus tama na may think tak AI, the length of the brief, the length of the free next to my thoughts ni ma. Naso ni may deki, and naso ni mga ipiri, mamuro yung itag jay na scripture tag desan sa di tag dapi, amuro yung kusin desan dat kung in one day, in one moment, and ala de plako dat ko in the perfection. No ang desan sa muro yung kusin ko in Amerika. Sa di Amerika nga ding tag no makobera nga di, tede sana to kobera nga di, tamuro yung touch Amerika, ala sa no kobera in a perfection. And na pung furus maodede in Amerika.